One setting buried in your BMW EV can prevent a $3,000 repair. Another saves you over $1,000 in electricity without changing how you drive. Every electric BMW has features hidden inside iDrive that BMW never mentions, and most owners go years without finding them. In this video, we are breaking down 8 hidden BMW EV features that change everything. Stay until the end, because feature number 8 is the one even BMW technicians admit almost nobody uses. Let's get right into it. Feature number 1, the charging timer that saves you thousands. Most BMW EV owners plug in at night and let the car charge immediately. That is costing you money every single month. Buried inside your charging settings is a departure time feature that most owners either ignore or do not know exists. You set the time you leave in the morning, and the car delays charging to the cheapest overnight hours, typically between midnight and 5 a.m., when time of use electricity rates drop by 30 to 50%. If you are not on a time of use plan, it is worth checking with your utility provider because most areas offer one, and the savings are significant once your car is charging during off-peak windows every night. But it does not stop there. The system also preconditions your battery and cabin using grid power before you unplug. In winter, that means your battery is already at optimal temperature, and your first DC fast charge of the day is up to 20% faster. In summer, you walk out to a cool cabin without losing a single mile of range. We have seen owners save $30 to $60 a month just from this one change. Over a 3-year lease, that is over $1,000 in electricity costs alone, and that is before you factor in the faster charging and better battery performance on top of it. Go to your iDrive charging settings, tap charging preferences, and set your departure time. It takes 30 seconds and pays for itself immediately. Feature number 2, the Regen mode that learns how you drive. Most BMW EV owners set their Regen to one level and never touch it again. Meanwhile, their car has a smarter option sitting right there in the settings that they never activate. It is called adaptive recuperation. With standard Regen, you pick a fixed level, low, medium, or high, and it stays there no matter what is happening on the road. Adaptive recuperation is different. Instead of a fixed setting, it adjusts automatically based on what is happening around you. Approaching a red light, the car increases Regen to slow you down earlier. Going downhill, it maximizes energy recovery. Clear road ahead, it backs off and lets you coast. The system uses your front camera and navigation data to read the road in real time. And if you have a route set, it knows when a curve or intersection is coming before you do. This is not something you feel dramatically in the moment, but over a full day of driving, it adds 5 to 8% more range compared to a fixed Regen setting. That is real mileage you are leaving on the table every single day if this is not switched on. Go to your iDrive drive settings, find energy recuperation, and switch it to adaptive. Let the car do the thinking. If you are finding value in this so far, hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss the next one. We have got 6 more features to go, and they only get better from here. Feature number 3, the built-in charger, finder nobody uses. Most BMW EV owners download a third-party charging app on day 1 and never touch BMW's built-in charger finder. That is a mistake because it does something most apps cannot. Third-party apps show you every charger in the area, including ones that are broken, occupied, or too slow for your car. You drive 15 minutes out of your way to what looks like a fast charger, arrive, and find out it is either offline or not delivering anywhere near the speed your car can handle. BMW's system filters by real-time compatibility with your specific vehicle. It knows your maximum charge speed, your current battery temperature, and your state of charge, and it routes you to chargers where you will actually get the fastest session possible. But the real feature most people miss is the charging route planner. Enter a long-distance destination, and the system maps your entire trip with optimized stops. It preconditions your battery before each one, so you arrive ready for maximum charge speed, and it estimates how long each stop will take so you can plan your breaks around a meal or a rest stop instead of sitting in a parking lot watching a progress bar. We have seen this cut total trip time by 20 to 30 minutes on a 500-mile drive compared to owners who wing it and stop at whatever charger pops up first. If you are road tripping a BMW EV without using the built-in planner, you are adding time to every trip for no reason. Feature number 4. Precondition your cabin without losing a single mile. It is 95 degrees outside and your BMW has been sitting in direct sun for 3 hours. Most owners get in, crank the air conditioning, and burn through battery cooling a cabin that feels like an oven. There is a better way. The My BMW app lets you start heating or cooling your cabin remotely before you even leave the house. If the car is plugged in, it pulls from grid power so your battery stays at full charge. You walk out to a comfortable cabin with zero range lost. But here is what most owners never set up. You can schedule this automatically. Set your departure time in the app and the car preconditions your cabin and your battery 15 minutes before you leave, every single morning without you touching a thing. In winter, that means your battery is thermally optimized and your cabin is warm before you unplug. The owners who use scheduled preconditioning consistently see 8 to 12% better winter range than those who blast the heater after they start driving. That is not a lab number. That is real-world mileage from a feature that takes 30 seconds to set up once, and there is a long-term benefit most people do not think about. Cold starting an EV on a cold battery puts more stress on the cells than starting on a thermally conditioned one. Preconditioning regularly does not just help your range today, it helps protect your battery health over the life of the car. Feature number 5, B mode, the brake pads that last 80,000 miles. We have inspected BMW iX models with over 40,000 miles that still had their original brake pads at 80% thickness. Every single one of those owners had one thing in common. They drove in B mode daily. B mode is BMW's one-pedal driving setting. Lift off the accelerator and the car slows itself almost to a stop through maximum regenerative braking. In city driving, you barely touch the brake pedal. That means 2 things. First, you are capturing significantly more energy back into your battery throughout the day, which adds real range. In stop-and-go traffic, B-mode owners consistently see better efficiency numbers than D-mode drivers covering the same route. Second, it dramatically reduces brake pad wear. Compare that to owners who stay in D-mode, where we typically see 50 to 60% pad life at the same mileage. Over the life of the car, that is a $400 to $600 brake job you may never need. Most owners who try B mode for the first time feel the strong deceleration and switch it off. Give it a week. After that, the precision of controlling your speed with one pedal becomes second nature, and most people never go back. There is also a side benefit nobody talks about. Less braking means less brake dust on your wheels. If you have ever noticed that dark residue building up on your rims, that is brake dust from friction braking. B-mode drivers see significantly less of it, which keeps your wheels cleaner and means less time scrubbing during a wash. Pull the shift lever back once from D, and you are in B mode. That is all it takes. Feature number 6, the free driving coach already in your car. The cabin heater in a BMW EV draws 5 to 7 kilowatts of power. Heated seats draw under 100 watts. Most owners have no idea there is that big of a gap, and it is costing them 15 to 20 miles of range every cold day. BMW's efficiency coach shows you exactly where your energy is going in real time. It monitors your acceleration, braking, climate usage, and speed consistency, scores your driving, and tells you specifically what to change. Over time, it tracks your improvement so you can see your efficiency getting better week over week. This is the feature that shows owners the data behind switching from running the heater at 72 degrees to using heated seats and the heated steering wheel at 65 degrees instead. Same comfort, dramatically more range. Most people do not realize how much energy the cabin heater actually consumes until the efficiency coach puts the numbers right in front of them. We have seen that single change add 15 to 20 miles in cold weather, and it is just one of the adjustments the system recommends. The efficiency coach is free, it is already in your car, and most owners have never opened it. Go to iDrive, find the driving efficiency section, and let it show you where your range is going. Feature number 7, BMW's built-in dash. Can most owners never activate? Someone hits your car in a parking lot and drives away. You check your BMW's cameras and the footage is right there. Multiple angles, time-stamped, ready to send to your insurance company. That is exactly what BMW's Drive Recorder does, and most owners have never turned it on. If your BMW EV came with the Parking Assistant Plus package, you already have a built-in dash cam. If you are not sure, check your iDrive settings under Safety and Assistance. If Drive Recorder is listed, you have it. The system records from multiple angles, captures footage automatically during hard braking or collisions, and lets you manually trigger a recording at any time. That manual trigger is useful beyond just accidents. Some owners use it to document road hazards, capture evidence of dangerous drivers, or even save footage of a scenic drive. No extra hardware, no USB drives. It is all stored in the car's internal memory. We have seen owners use this footage to dispute at-fault insurance claims and save themselves thousands in repair costs. You can access saved clips through iDrive and export them to a USB drive for insurance or legal use. But here's the critical part. The system records in a loop, so older footage gets overwritten. If something happens, save the clip immediately through iDrive before it is gone. Activate it through your iDrive Safety and Assistance settings. It takes 10 seconds, and the one time you need it, you will be glad it was already running. Feature number 8, the 10-second setting that prevents a $3,000 repair. We had an owner who kept tripping their main breaker every time their BMW charged overnight. They ignored it for months. Eventually, the sustained electrical draw damaged the breaker box, and they were looking at a $3,000 panel replacement. All because of one setting they never adjusted. Your BMW EV will try to draw the maximum current your home charger allows. If your electrical panel is older, or you are running other high-draw appliances at the same time, that can overload the circuit. BMW's charging current limiter lets you cap the amperage your car draws directly in iDrive, and most owners do not know it exists. The fix is simple. If your circuit is rated for 40 amps, set the car to draw 32 amps. If it is a 50 amp circuit, set it to 40 amps. That follows the standard 80% continuous load rule that electricians recommend. It protects your wiring, your breaker, and your charger from overheating. You will not notice a meaningful difference in how long it takes to charge overnight, but your electrical system will thank you. Go to your charging settings in iDrive, find maximum charging current, and match it to your home setup. If you are not sure what your circuit can handle, ask your electrician. This takes 10 seconds and could save you thousands. Bonus tip: if your BMW EV ever refuses to release the charging cable and the unlock button is not responding, do not call roadside assistance. There is a manual release hidden near the charge port area, typically a small pull tab or lever accessible through the trunk. The exact location varies by model, so find it now while you are not stranded at a charger in the rain. Better yet, practice using it once at home so you know exactly how it works before you ever need it under pressure. 10 seconds is all it takes. Now that you know these 8 hidden features, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss what is coming next. We cover EVs every week, and the next video is one you are not going to want to skip.